TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get the bigger, the correction above after the breakout of this one, we can look for buy. When we see the price move, there was no buy setup, then drop, and this is where we get buy setup exactly here. If you move to lower time frame, all right, the only way was to trade for this correction after the breakout here or here. All right, if anyone they get the trade now, they should know that the way it's moving is really corrective. At least they should know manage to. They should know how to manage it in case there is a reversal, because as we can see, the price almost broke the top. And one more thing, the another option was to have entry above the stop. If they increase the price sharply move, and having entry above this one, I just exactly above this one, I just leave it to the traders. I mentioned the best is above here. By the way, right now, as we can see, if we put here, one times the price tag and drop, and no, almost if anyone they get the trade from here, I think no, they should, whether they take out the trade or at least they watch out it, because the way it's moving me can give the one move down. All right, because as we can see, the way it's moving is really corrective. If you can see, if you look at this, and now we have this too as a running, the price broke the top. How about if this is the move and the price can give us one more drop? Okay, that's why I didn't in my analysis. I didn't give having a tree above this. I mentioned above here. That's why I mentioned this one. I just leave it for the traders and what we get from here. Okay, now the thing is, if we move to daily chart, you want to say how we can trade it, and this is what we see. The way it's moving is really corrective after this. After where the price drop, and if we move to forward chart, we want to see. Okay, based on forward chart, again I mentioned we have been looking for this as a correction relative to this. Now we want to see whether this one can continue and break this top or not. Okay, by the way, what we see here, still we can expect for one more drop. For sure, if we get one more drop, the best trade we can get from there. If you want to look for buy, when I say the best, I mean compared to here. Okay, but if there is a continuation, how we can trade it? We should aware about this in case there is a price drop. That's why I mentioned anyone has an entry above this top, above here. No, they should know. At least I think it's better for them to take out the trade. Okay, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. First of all, we mentioned in our analysis, we mentioned if we get any trade set up when the price come to this high, we start to manage. That's why anyone is in this trade, the target is above this. But if we see there is no continuation, they take out the trade. They don't stay with the trade. Okay, and because if we mention if the continue as a corrective, one more drop can give us a better trade. Even if this one move a bit higher, any sharp move sell in terms of the risk and reward can give us a better trade, and we expect the price to break this low or here. Okay, by the way, right now we don't have any trade set up whether for buy or sell. Again, for sell, if there is a continuation, any sharp move with a flag, we can sell it. But buy, we cannot confirm right now. The only thing is having entry above the stop. Again, having entry above the top, we want the price tag and continue the price tag and reverse. As we explained, this one may tend to a bigger correction, then it's very risky. Okay, if anyone wants to get the trade if they see in 1 or 2 hours is not moving, they take out the trade. And the another option is wait for the breakout of this quite sharp with the flag above the top. This is what we can. This is the options if you want to look for buy, unless we see some changes here or we see the bigger correction here. Then maybe we can look for another short-term buy. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart and do for those this video give the update for those they get the trade from here. And in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any trade, then I will share. Thanks.